Creatine is a popular substance among athletes and fitness aficionados. It's naturally contained in modest levels in our bodies, particularly in our muscles. We also obtain some creatine from meals like red meat and fish. Creatine plays a critical function in giving our muscles with energy for brief bursts of intensive exercise, such as weightlifting or running. Many individuals use creatine pills to increase their sports ability. By boosting creatine storage in their muscles, people may enjoy improvements in strength, power, and muscular hypertrophy. This may lead to greater performance in the gym or on the field. Creatine is usually regarded safe for most healthy individuals when taken as advised. However, it's crucial to be aware of possible negative effects and take precautions to minimize them. One major issue is the danger of dehydration, especially during the beginning phases of creatine supplementation. In this detailed tutorial, we'll look into the science underlying creatine's impact on hydration. We'll discuss the reasons why creatine might contribute to dehydration and present practical methods to help you keep adequately hydrated while getting the benefits of this strong substance. To understand how creatine may affect hydration, let's first study its involvement in energy generation. Our muscles largely employ a chemical called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, as their energy currency. During severe activity, ATP is quickly broken down to release energy. Creatine phosphate, the storage form of creatine in our muscles, serves like a reserve energy tank. When ATP levels drop, creatine phosphate lends its phosphate group to rebuild ATP, enabling your muscles to keep working harder for longer. Think of creatine phosphate as a backup generator for your cells. This mechanism is especially crucial during high-intensity, short-duration activities as the demand for ATP outpaces its generation. By supplementing with creatine, you enhance the availability of creatine phosphate in your muscles. This greater energy reserve may contribute to gains in strength, power output, and muscular endurance. However, this gain in muscular activity comes with an increased need for water. Creatine, by its chemical nature, draws water. When you supplement with creatine, your muscles pull in and retain extra water to meet the increased creatine store. This process, known as cell volumization, is one of the reasons creatine administration might lead to an initial rise in body weight. While this water retention is typically favorable for muscle development and function, it may lead to dehydration if enough fluid intake is not maintained. Essentially, your muscles are borrowing water from other regions of your body to feed them. Creatine supplementation may increase the formation of waste products in the muscles, such as creatinine. These waste items need to be flushed out by your urine, necessitating extra water. The combination of increased water retention in muscles and increased waste product outflow creates a larger demand on your body's water balance, making it necessary to prioritize hydration. Hydration is crucial for a multitude of biological processes beyond merely sports performance. Every cell, tissue, and organ in your body needs on water to operate efficiently. Water works as a solvent, carrying nutrients, regulating body temperature, lubricating joints, and washing away waste materials. Even minor dehydration may significantly influence your physical and cognitive function. You may feel tiredness, headaches, disorientation, muscular cramps, and reduced attention. Severe dehydration may be life-threatening, leading to heat stroke, renal failure, and other severe problems. Maintaining appropriate hydration is vital for everyone, but it becomes much more critical when supplementing with creatine. The early indicators of dehydration might be subtle and easy to detect. It's crucial to stay watchful and pay heed to your body's messages, especially when you initially start using creatine or raise your dose. Here are some typical indications of dehydration to look out for. Increased thirst. This is your body's main method of signaling you it needs extra fluids. Darker urine. Concentrated urine, frequently accompanied by a strong odor, is an obvious symptom of dehydration. Aim for light yellow or straw-colored urine. Reduced urine production. If you're going to the toilet less often than normal, it might be an indication that you're not drinking enough. Dry mouth, skin, and eyes. These are all symptoms that your body is missing appropriate water. Fatigue and weakness. Dehydration may zap your energy levels, making you feel fatigued and sluggish, headache, and dizziness. These symptoms may arise when your brain is not fully hydrated. Muscle cramping. Electrolyte imbalances induced by dehydration may contribute to muscular cramps. If you encounter any of these symptoms, it's vital to boost your hydration intake immediately. In extreme circumstances, medical treatment may be essential. The good news is that keeping hydrated while taking creatine is extremely straightforward. By following a few practical recommendations, you can decrease the danger of dehydration and enhance your performance. Here are some helpful techniques to remain hydrated. Drink lots of water throughout the day. Aim for a steady fluid intake, rather than attempting to chug down enormous volumes of water all at once. Carry a reusable water bottle with you. This acts as a visible reminder to drink water frequently. Set reminders on your phone or utilize a hydration monitoring app. These tools might help you keep responsible for your water consumption. Consume hydrating meals. Fruits and vegetables, including watermelon, cucumber, spinach, and berries, have high water content. Limit sugary drinks and alcohol. These drinks may truly dehydrate you. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your thirst signals and drink water anytime you feel thirsty. Remember, hydration is a continual process. Don't wait until you're thirsty to start drinking water. By implementing these guidelines into your regular routine, you may guarantee appropriate hydration while taking creatine, while general standards advise consuming 8 glasses of water per day. Individual hydration requirements might vary greatly depending on variables including activity level, climate, and weight, and total health. A more tailored strategy entails examining your body weight and exercise levels. Body weight. A decent beginning point is to drink half of your body weight in ounces of water every day. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, aim for 75 ounces of water. Activity level. For every 30 minutes of activity, add 12 to 16 ounces of water to your regular consumption. Keep in mind that these are merely estimates. You may need to change your fluid intake depending on your specific requirements and how your body reacts. Pay careful attention to your thirst signals and urine color to fine-tune your hydration plan. While water should be your major source of hydration, other drinks may also add to your fluid consumption. Here are some healthful and hydrated choices. Electrolyte drinks. Sports beverages containing electrolytes like salt and potassium might be useful after strong exercises, particularly in hot and humid circumstances. Coconut water. A natural source of electrolytes and minerals, coconut water may be a delightful and hydrating alternative. Milk delivers fluids, electrolytes, and protein. Fruit-flavored water. Adding slices of fruits like lemon, lime, or cucumber to your water will improve its taste and encourage you to drink more. Avoid sugary beverages like soda and juice, which may raise your blood sugar levels and lead to dehydration. Limit your consumption of caffeinated drinks like coffee and tea, since these might have a diuretic impact. The time of your fluid intake might also affect your hydration level. Here are some crucial times to emphasize hydration while using creatine. Throughout the day, drink on water frequently throughout the day to maintain adequate hydration levels. Before, during, and after exercises. Increase your fluid intake before, during, and after exercise to replenish fluids lost via perspiration. With your creatine supplement, consuming creatine with a big glass of water may help in absorption and enhance hydration. First thing in the morning, replenish fluids lost overnight by drinking a glass or 2 of water upon awakening. By intelligently scheduling your fluid intake, you can guarantee that your body has the resources it needs to keep hydrated while benefiting from creatine supplementation. While following these suggestions may give a great basis for hydration, it's vital to listen to your body and alter your fluid consumption appropriately. Factors including climate, exercise level, and general health might impact your unique demands. Pay heed to these indicators. Thirst. This is your body's natural indication that it needs extra fluids. Don't disregard it. Urine color. Aim for light yellow or straw-colored urine. Darker urine suggests dehydration. Fatigue and weakness may be indicators of dehydration. Headaches and dizziness. These symptoms may suggest that your brain is not appropriately hydrated by tuned into your body signals and altering your fluid intake as required. You can keep ahead of dehydration and maximize your health and performance. Creatine is a safe and effective substance for increasing sports performance and stimulating muscular development. However, it's vital to be careful of its possible influence on hydration, particularly during the beginning phases of supplementing. By understanding the physics underlying creatine's water-attracting qualities and following practical hydration measures, you may gain the advantages of this potent substance without jeopardizing your health. Remember to drink lots of water throughout the day, listen to your body signals, and consider hydration as a vital element of your fitness path with a balanced approach. You may safely include creating into your regimen and reach your fitness objectives.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.